Oil lamp meditation, also known as candle meditation, is a simple and effective meditation technique that involves focusing your attention on the flame of an oil lamp or candle. The soft and steady glow of the flame can help calm the mind and bring about a sense of inner peace and relaxation. Here's a step-by-step guide to practicing oil lamp meditation. Set up a quiet and comfortable space. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Make sure the lighting is dim or soft, so the flame of the oil lamp or candle is more pronounced. Position the oil lamp or candle. Place the oil lamp or candle on a stable surface, at eye level or slightly below, so you can comfortably gaze at the flame without straining your neck or eyes. Sit in a comfortable posture. You can sit on a cushion or chair with your back straight and your hands resting on your lap or knees. The posture should be relaxed yet alert. Light the oil lamp or candle. Take a moment to appreciate the act of lighting the lamp or candle. Observe the process of the flame coming to life and the initial flickering before it stabilizes. Focus your gaze. Softly gaze at the flame without staring intensely or blinking rapidly. Allow your eyes to relax and maintain a gentle, steady focus on the flame. Observe the flame. Pay attention to the shape, color, and movement of the flame. Notice how it dances and sways, and how the light radiates from it. Let go of thoughts. As you continue to gaze at the flame, thoughts may arise. When they do, simply acknowledge them without judgment, and gently bring your focus back to the flame. It's normal for the mind to wander, so don't get discouraged. Stay present. Remain present with the flame, letting go of any worries or distractions. Let the flame become the sole object of your awareness. Experience the stillness. As you continue to meditate on the flame, you may start to feel a sense of stillness and inner peace. Embrace this feeling and allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. Set a time limit. You can meditate on the flame for as long as you feel comfortable. Start with a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more accustomed to the practice. Extinguish the flame. When you're ready to end the meditation, gently blow out the lamp or candle. Take a moment to observe the last moments of the flame before it fades away. Reflect on the experience. After the meditation, take some time to reflect on your experience. Notice any changes in your mental state or emotions and how you feel compared to before the practice. Remember, meditation is a skill that improves with consistent practice. Oil lamp meditation can be a wonderful way to cultivate mindfulness, concentration, and inner peace. Feel free to incorporate it into your daily routine or use it as a relaxation technique whenever you need to distress.